Superduke. That's a nice one.
Street Bob, I like these too, but I was actually looking at one of these, but I was going to get the bars.
Yeah, the electric one.
Yeah, that's the electric bike.
I haven't seen one in person before. G'day guys, Kwackajack here with another video for today. So today I'm out for a ride with my dad and his mate. I'm on my Ninja 400 and I'm riding with two Harley Davidsons. They are Fat Bob 103s. We've made it out to Canungra now. I'm going to roll some footage and I'm going to take you guys along with me. Alright. So just for everyone who watches, what bike have you got?
Fat Bob.
Fat Bob?
2017.
Yep.
Harley Fat Bob.
It's a nice bike.
Yeah, have a look at his is nice. It's got nice foot pegs, nice handles.
Yep.
I'll eventually upgrade. I keep getting none.
Oh, do ya?
Street Bob, I like these too, but I was actually looking at one of these, but I was going to get the bars. Yeah, the Hollywood bars, I think it was. And
Oh yeah.
how you enjoying it?
Loving it. Yeah, stage 2 on it now.
You got the custom seat as well.
Yeah.
Do you want to tell the camera about your bike? If you want.
Hey, my name's Mark. I like moonlight walks on the beach.
I got a flash one now.
It's 2014.
2014.
Yeah. With the stage 1, the Maximus tuner,
Yeah.
R&S air filter, S&S slip-on mufflers, Kiriak and switchblade foot pegs and grips,
Did you get them through
Revzilla, I sent you the link.
Revzilla? Yeah, I've got that website.
Yeah.
Definitely got to look.
Superduke. That's a nice one. That's a monster. Really like the look of these things, hey? Nice. Me on my little Ninja 400.
That's a good thing about bikes, isn't it? Anyone will chat to anyone.
Yeah.
It's real social sort of
Big boy.
community.
What was that he had?
Sport Glide. That's the one I actually like them, the Sports Glide.
All right, we'll follow you. Might send up the drone. Who feels like they don't belong here? Little Ninja 400 in the Harley Davidson dealership. A Livewire.
Livewire?
Yeah, the electric one.
Yeah, that's the electric bike.
I haven't seen one in person
Livewire.
before.
No, me either. $50,000. Apparently they go like the clappers.
Yeah.
Like they just...
Well, electric acceleration, there's
Yeah.
no warm-up, it's just instant.
Yeah.
There's no gears either.
Yeah.
So he probably doesn't have a clutch lever on the other side. Pretty impressive.
Yeah. What the hell they'll go?
I quite like the look of it though. It's like, it looks like a sports bike.
Yeah, it does. High clearance, you can really tuck into the corners there.
And the swing arm at the back. I don't mind it. Very impressive. Alright guys, might leave it there for today. Thanks for joining along. Till next time, see ya.